Hello, my buddies. I am Luna, and welcome back to English with Luna. Today, we will learn and repeat 100 useful sentences about daily routines. Each sentence will be long and detailed, so you can learn more vocabulary and practice natural English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, speak slowly and clearly. Are you ready? Let's begin. Waking up. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I slowly open my eyes while I listen to the soft sound of birds singing outside my window. I stay in bed for a few minutes, thinking about my plans for the day, before I finally sit up and stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath, smile, and tell myself that today will be a good and productive day. I reach for my phone on the nightstand, check the time, and read a few messages from my friends before getting out of bed. I walk to the window, open the curtains, and let the warm sunlight fill my room with bright energy. I fold my blanket neatly, arrange my pillows, and make my bed so my room looks clean and organized. I put on my slippers, stand up slowly, and walk to the bathroom to begin my morning routine. I turn on the bathroom light, look at myself in the mirror, and smile to start the day with positive energy. I think about everything I want to do today, and I remind myself to stay calm and focused. I wash my hands with cold water, and I feel more awake and ready to start my day. Morning routine. I brush my teeth carefully for 2 full minutes, moving my toothbrush up and down and side to side until my teeth feel clean and fresh. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face with cold water, which makes me feel awake, fresh, and ready for the new day. I take a shower with warm water, enjoying the relaxing feeling as the water runs down my body, washing away my sleepiness. I use shampoo for my hair and soap for my body, and I take my time to feel clean and refreshed. When I finish my shower, I dry myself with a soft towel and feel warm and comfortable. I use a hairdryer to dry my hair more quickly, and I brush it until it looks neat and tidy. I open my closet, look at my clothes, and choose something comfortable and appropriate for the day. I put on my clothes slowly, making sure everything fits well, and I check myself in the mirror. I sometimes wear perfume or deodorant, so I smell nice and fresh throughout the day. Finally, I prepare my bag with the things I need, like my phone, keys, and wallet, before leaving my room. Breakfast. I walk to the kitchen, turn on the lights, and prepare a simple but delicious breakfast to give me energy for the day. I make a hot cup of coffee, and the smell of the coffee fills the kitchen and makes me feel happy. I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster, wait for them to pop up, and spread butter and jam on them. Sometimes I also prepare scrambled eggs with vegetables, which are healthy and tasty. If I have little time, I eat cereal with milk, which is fast and easy to prepare. I like to drink orange juice with my breakfast because it is fresh, sweet, and full of vitamins. While I eat my breakfast, I sometimes read the news on my phone to learn what is happening in the world. Other times, I listen to music or a podcast while I eat, so I can start my morning in a good mood. I eat slowly, chewing carefully, so I can really taste my food. If I eat alone, I sometimes watch a video or read something on my phone. After finishing my breakfast, I clean the table, wash the dishes, and leave the kitchen tidy. Going to work or school. After breakfast, I put on my shoes, take my bag, and get ready to leave the house. I walk to the bus stop, enjoying the fresh morning air, while I watch other people going to work or school. At the bus stop, I wait patiently, sometimes checking my phone, and then I get on the bus when it arrives. On the bus, I usually sit by the window, listen to music with my headphones, and watch the cars and people outside. Sometimes I read a book or review notes while traveling, so I can use my time productively. The bus moves through the city, and I look at the tall buildings, shops, and busy streets. I enjoy looking at the different people on the bus, each with their own story and destination. When the bus arrives near my workplace, I stand up, walk carefully, and get off. I walk the last few minutes to my building, feeling more awake and ready to start the day. When I arrive, I greet the people I meet and I enter my workplace with a positive attitude. Work routine. I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and check my emails to see what tasks I need to do today. I write a list of things I must complete so I can stay organized and focused. I answer emails from coworkers, write messages, and prepare documents. Sometimes I attend meetings where we talk about projects and share new ideas. I listen carefully during meetings, take notes, and ask questions if I do not understand something. During the morning, I often drink water or tea to stay hydrated and focused. I talk to my coworkers about work and sometimes about personal things like family or hobbies. I work on the computer, typing slowly and carefully, making sure everything is correct. If I feel tired, I take a short break to stretch my legs and relax my mind. At the end of the morning, I review my progress and prepare for lunch. Lunch. At noon, I go to the cafeteria or kitchen to prepare or buy my lunch. I usually eat rice, chicken, or vegetables because they are healthy and filling. Sometimes I eat pasta, soup, or salad, depending on what is available. I drink water, juice, or tea with my lunch, so I feel refreshed. While I eat my lunch, I like to talk with friends or coworkers about our day. Sometimes we laugh together, share stories, and enjoy the break. I eat slowly, chewing carefully, so I can really taste my food. If I eat alone, I sometimes watch a video or read something on my phone. After finishing my lunch, I clean the table and throw away any trash. I take a short walk or stretch before going back to work. Afternoon routine. I return to my desk, check my emails again, and continue working on my tasks. In the afternoon, I often feel a little tired, so I drink coffee or tea to stay awake. I focus on finishing important projects before the end of the day. Sometimes I make phone calls or talk to people about work. I organize my documents, write notes, and prepare plans for tomorrow. If I have free time, I like to study, read, or practice something new. I answer the last emails of the day and close the conversations. Before finishing, I review my list and check the tasks I have completed. I save my work carefully so I do not lose anything important. Finally, I turn off my computer and prepare to leave. Returning home. I leave the office or school, walk outside, and feel happy that my work is done. I sometimes walk home if the weather is nice, enjoying the air and the streets. Other times, I take the bus or train, listening to music while I travel. I watch the sunset from the window, and it makes me feel calm. I sometimes stop at a store to buy groceries or small things I need. I walk with my bag full of food, thinking about what I will cook for dinner. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes, relax, and feel safe.
I wash my hands, change into comfortable clothes, and prepare to rest. I sit on the sofa for a few minutes, close my eyes, and relax. Then I stand up and go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. Dinner and evening. I cook dinner slowly, using fresh ingredients, and I enjoy the smell of the food. I prepare rice, meat, or vegetables, depending on what I feel like eating. I sit at the table and eat with my family, talking and laughing together. We share stories about our day and enjoy the time together. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen so it looks nice. I sometimes make tea and drink it slowly while I relax. In the evening, I like to watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. If I have free time, I sometimes call a friend and talk for a while. I also like to study English, practice sentences, and repeat words out loud. Before going to bed, I prepare my things for tomorrow, so I am ready. Night and sleeping. I brush my teeth carefully again before going to bed. I wash my face, put on my pajamas, and feel comfortable. I sometimes read a few pages of a book in bed. Other times, I listen to soft music or a podcast. I think about my day and what I want to do tomorrow. I turn off the lights and close my eyes slowly. I feel my body relax and I breathe deeply. I imagine peaceful things like the beach or the forest. I feel calm, safe, and ready to sleep. Finally, I fall asleep, resting well to wake up ready for a new day. Congratulations, my friend. You have practiced 100 long sentences about daily routines in English. Repeat these sentences every day. Listen slowly. Speak clearly. Practice makes progress. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye.